Good evening. Welcome to the evening forecast discussion for August 5th, 2014. It's currently 9 p.m. and we have some showers and thunderstorms moving in towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for the overnight period. These thunderstorms are not severe in any way, shape, or form, but they are capable of producing some very heavy downpours and some localized flash flooding. Other than that, they probably really won't amount to much, and by the time we get to 5 a.m., these showers and thunderstorms will be off the coast with no impacts on the rush hour. However, there could be some impacts on the forecast because these thunderstorms are moving a little bit faster than what was forecasted. So we'll have to see exactly whether or not these thunderstorms limit the potential for any other thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon. Plus, we also have the weekend on the way, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Looking forward to this weekend, that is for sure, with low humidity and clear skies. So let's take a look at the latest model data and also the observations and see what we can look forward to. Here's the latest observations as of 9 p.m. and you can see that temperatures are still rather muggy out there. You're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over much of the New York City metropolitan area, lower to mid 80s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area with a nice southwesterly wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Right along the southern New Jersey coast, mid 70s. And then in our cooler locations, look at the thermal gradient over Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley. We have temperatures in the lower 70s over portions of eastern Long Island, mid to upper 70s in the New York City metropolitan area to central Long Island, and then temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s over portions of northern Connecticut, and that extends into the Hudson River Valley before you fall off into the 60s with showers and thunderstorms over portions of the Mohawk River Valley and on south, and then over northeastern Pennsylvania, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. I think you could see where the frontal boundary is and where the thunderstorms are setting up. And basically what we're dealing with here is a rather interesting and volatile weather pattern for the overnight period with a cold front that is approaching the region. And you can see where that cold front is clearly located, where temperatures are in the 60s over portions of north central Pennsylvania, and then upper 70s to lower 80s over southern Pennsylvania, and that divide extends up into our neck of the woods. Now, as far as the showers and thunderstorms are concerned, they have more of a bark than an actual bite. Most of these thunderstorms are below severe level. In fact, all of them are at this time. For the most part, they're producing very heavy downpours, wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. No sign of hail yet, but also occasional to frequent lightning with these thunderstorms because of cold air aloft. As these thunderstorms push to the east, they will weaken as they do so, but still capable of producing some heavy downpours as they move through, with again the majority of the impacts in the early morning hours between 11 p.m., which is about 2 hours from now, on through 5 a.m. After 5 a.m., I think everything clears out. On the infrared satellite picture, you can clearly see where that frontal boundary is located. And now this cold front is going to move very slowly. I'm going to show you why in the water vapor satellite picture. But you can see clearly what we're having set up here. Here to the south of this cold front is our continental tropical air mass. Off the Atlantic, where all this moisture is located, that's where our pure tropical air mass is located. And then behind this cold front is a polar air mass with much lower humidity and temperatures averaging below normal for this time of year. And that's exactly what's bleeding south towards our neck of the woods in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But also for much of the eastern United States, this is a rather impressive push of polar air from Canada into the eastern United States, marked by this cold front and waves of low pressure. On the water vapor satellite picture, I overlaid the mid and upper level winds with the frontal structure and also the water vapor satellite picture. I know it looks a little busy, but it kind of gives you the idea of what's happening here. Here's your surge of polar air coming down from Canada, driving the cold front south over portions of the upper Midwest. However, over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and over the Northeast, the winds are a little bit more from the southwest. So that means that the winds are running a little bit parallel to the cold front, and that leads to a slower moving cold front overall. Now, we did have a stronger disturbance over the St. Lawrence River Valley. That's kind of given this cold front a bit of a nudge, a little bit faster than what was forecasted. And so that's why you're seeing these showers and thunderstorms approach the region. These showers and thunderstorms will weaken, and then I think we'll get another wave of showers and thunderstorms with this area low pressure right here for tomorrow afternoon, keeping our weather pattern rather active. And then the very tranquil and comfortable weather conditions come in with this high pressure system. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the Pensa EWOL website and of course the European model guidance. For tomorrow, again, this cold front moves through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. Much better as far as temperatures are concerned by tomorrow evening, with temperatures falling through the 70s and dew points falling into the 50s. By the time we get to Thursday, high pressure will start to take control. Skies will clear out. Temperatures will fall off into the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. High pressure remains in control for Friday and for Saturday, with tranquil weather conditions in place. Temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows. High temperatures in the lower to mid 80s, which by the way is averaging just slightly below normal for this time of year. Now we're watching a disturbance potentially develop along the mid-Atlantic coast on Sunday and on Monday. I think this low pressure system stays far enough to the south to keep most of the region dry, but I do expect some scattered to overcast cloud cover due to a stiff easterly wind developing. Temperatures overall will average below normal. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, which is about normal for this time of year, but high temperatures only in the upper 70s to lower 80s, and normally you see high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for this time of year, so we will be averaging below normal for high temperatures. Again, I'm expecting dry conditions though for Sunday and Monday. On Tuesday, that area of low pressure is going to be a little bit closer to the coast, and we also have another strong cold front approaching the region as well, so look for the threat for showers developing on Sunday with overcast cloud cover and temperatures in the lower to mid 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. That's your forecast discussion for tonight. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.